Secure high-res file delivery to your clients. Upgrade your website at PhotoShelter.com. Get the Photographer's Guide to Copyright free at bit.ly/learncopyright.
One of the biggest pieces of leverage, if that makes grammatical sense, is your ability to prevent the client from running the ads until you've been paid, and or if they've been run, if the images have been run, this assures you get paid because they're infringing on your copyright, which gives you and your lawyer much more leverage, because one of the things you get is the ability to make that client pull down all their advertising.
Now, we're not really here to push the book. We really want to get information out, but we, and I'm losing my train of thought already. One of the things we do in the book is talk about how to write an invoice, including what you need on the front of the invoice and the back of the invoice, because that is your license for the client to use. And one of the terms we have on it is make sure you write down the equivalent of no rights are transferred until this invoice is paid in full. And what that does, it ties your invoice into the transfer of the copyrights. And that becomes a big issue. And that's, to us, that's a very critical line to have. It can be written several different ways, but it's always that general idea. No rights are transferred until this invoice is paid in full.
It makes an artist, a photographer, an illustrator different than a plumber or a carpenter. If a plumber shows up and fixes your drain and he charges you $100 and you don't pay him, he can sue you for $100 for work done and payment not received. You as a creator are given special rights by federal law that says you're not entitled to just, in this example, $100. You're entitled to greater damages because they've infringed upon your copyright. It's a violation of federal law. So you have greater rights than someone who fixes your car or your plumbing.
Let me ask you a question, because the majority of people have never registered their images. I'm assuming that a lot of these people have